also a gardener, and in our city there's a lot of green spaces and wonderful landscapes.
Oh yeah, I am the mountain because we all agreed that we had our high moments and our low moments, and if we are on the high moments we are able to see what's happening and what's going on in the city, and we enjoyed it a lot. But sometimes when we are in reflection and we don't really feel like sharing our feelings, we can be very low, and sometimes then it feels that we are not part of it because we are very down in the village. So that's why we have a mountain, because not everything is in one line.
I am a young pupil that is studying, so I represent the air that is the hope for the future and for the society to grow and be better.
And I'm the fire because it keeps people warm and it brings light, and yeah, it's that spirit inside that keeps you going, the fire.
And I am the lifeguard, which you can trust on because he's always there. And I think we all have the feeling when there's something wrong, there's always someone taking care of you. Of course, I also represent a little bit the water, which you really need to survive, because everyone needs it to survive. And yeah, maybe you can also see a metaphor. Even if you're swimming and drowning, there's always someone to help you.
And that is also about our weekend here, or our trip, or what is it? Because there is also people who are helping you, and we are having fun with each other, and there is also flames and fire, and we have spent a lot of time around it.
That's why it's our central point, our meeting point, and it's also based on the ashes from the ones before us, which gives us inspiration for next life or next anything.
And I think the fire was for us the central, because it was convenient because it was already like this, but also because it's actually the only thing not the only thing, but one of the biggest things we will take with us is more the connection we make with people, and for me it represents like the network and the bonds you made with everyone, and for me that's why it's a painting. It's like you painted it once and you can't repaint it. It's like steady there, but you can take it everywhere. It's like a memory.
It's like a picture in your mind.
Yes.
It's the postcard of our trip.
The postcard of our trip.
Yes.
Thank you.